Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the cross-intersection tool in MAPOG, your go-to feature for identifying overlapping map features effortlessly. First, head over to story.mapog.com and open your existing map or create a new one. Give it a proper name and description. Add your dataset, whether it's roads, forest, or land parcels, to analyze intersections. Watch our tutorial on Add Data. On the left panel, click on Process Data, then select Cross Intersection from the list of tools. Main layer, the dataset you want to check for intersections, in my case forest roads. Choose the multiple attributes you wish to include in this layer. Joining layer, the second dataset that might overlap, in my case highways. Do the same for here. Hit Submit, and MAPOG will instantly highlight all overlapping areas between the selected layers. Go to Style layer under the Action button to adjust colors, opacity, or border styles for better visualization. This tool is perfect for urban planning, environmental studies, or any GIS project needing intersection analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more MAPOG tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or email us at support@mapog.com. Happy mapping!